Hello, friends. Good morning, and welcome back to our academic session for Standard 8 Mathematics. Here, we are going to learn today about the construction of angles 70 degree and 110 degree. In the previous lecture, we have learned how to construct 20 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree, and many more in the other lectures. Now here in this video, you are going to learn about 70 degree and 110 degree. So first of all, we will see that with the help of compasses and scale, we will draw first of all with the help of scale, draw a line and this line extend on both the sides. Here there is a center point of intersection. We will name as O. Now generally I take the radius of 3 centimeter, so it will be exactly 3 centimeter, and I draw a semicircle taking O as center. As O is an center point, I will draw a semicircle here. Then the intersecting point on this line will be named as X or Y. You can give your own names, A, B, whatever you like. Now we know that OY distance and OX distance equal. Now we can cut taking Y as center on the semicircle, and similarly from that point we can cut another arc on the semicircle. So this will be two intersecting point named as A, B. So from A and B the bisector will give us 90 degree. So we need the bisector of it, but put it properly, otherwise there may be variation. Sometimes we have to keep it properly, not too hard, not too light. So thus intersecting point from both this point A and B, we will get here 90 degree bisector. With the help of ruler and scale, we will exactly join these 2 points by making a ray. I am using red pen to differentiate it, and mark a point over here. Clear? This will be named as C. Okay. Now we know that the measurement of OC is 3 centimeter. So from C as a center, draw another arc over here and name this point as P. Got the idea? So here I will draw a semicircle. I am drawing the angle this side. And from P point I will intersect this one. Clear? And name this intersecting point as Q. So from P and Q I will do another bisector of it from P and from point Q. Clear? So from both this point P and Q, I have got another intersection bisector of this 2 P and Q here. Okay, clear to you all? So intersecting point from P and Q we will name as N. Now with the help of ruler we can join this point ON, or we can draw a ray passing through this point A starting from O. So a dark line. Now let us check that we have done or not exactly with the help of protractor. That's just we will measure it out. So 0 degree, okay, 90 degree also from the center point we are getting exactly, and you will see over here 70 degree. If inside angle XON we are considering, then it will be 70 degree, and if we consider YON, then it will be the other side, that will be how much? This was 110 degree, and if we are doing on this side, that will be 70 degree. So we will write down the measure angle NOX 70 degree, measure angle NOY 110 degree. Got the idea? Hope so. Clear to everyone, all my little friends. God bless you all. See you in the next lecture.